Guess what's in the mail today? So, I decided to order a few books to study for the summer to prepare for third year Japanese. Everyone at my school says that third year Japanese is extremely hard and that you will struggle the hardest you've ever struggled for the same grammar points. But I'm keeping my hopes up that it's not so bad. The books that I ordered are from the Tobira brand. Tobira is a series of Japanese practice books made by my Japanese professors at the University of Michigan. I know that a lot of people use Genki, but I never use Genki, so I wouldn't know if that's any better. For me, Tobira wasn't bad as it provides sufficient practice and content. I bought the Tobira Gateway to Advanced Japanese versions since I'm no longer a beginner, so I'll let you know how it goes once I finish it. For studying, I also use this kanji dictionary book, which contains like 2,500 kanji, which covers the test range of the Japanese proficiency test. I also use this app called Japanese. It's kind of stupid, but it's useful. It's a free app that has over 175,000 dictionary entries and 58,000 example sentences. You can also write any kanji that you don't know or are not sure of, and the dictionary will find it for you. I mainly use Quizlet for memorization along with my notebook for note-taking. I find that writing down notes and grammar points make learning Japanese way faster and easier to remember than typing everything. That's all I really have from a textbook standpoint. If I were to give you any advice, it would be to study and memorize everything. But don't aim to be perfect. Speaking and writing are completely different fields. You don't speak how you write unless you're a narrator or an actor or some weirdo. You don't speak how you write. And speaking is way more casual when you're talking to other people. And you generally say shorter phrases instead of like mixing everything into like one giant sentence, like how you use when you write properly. Also, confidence makes up like 70% of it. The rest of it is just like grammar that will naturally come to you the more you actually practice talking. So just be confident and you should be fine. That's all I got for you today. Next time I'm gonna talk about anime and how that is useful when you're listening, but not useful when you're trying to like speak it, imitate it. I also talk about how manga helps with like reading comprehension skills along with other books and stuff like that. And I'll do some other dumb videos in the meanwhile too. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.